In this video, we are going to learn how to determine if a graph shows a proportional relationship. Last week, we learned how to look at a table and decide, does this table show a proportional relationship? So we had two steps. Step one was to find the constant of proportionality for all the table entries, but not the 0, 0 entry. And then step two, we looked at if they're all the same, then our answer is yes. And in both of these examples, the constant of proportionality was the same for all the table entries. So our answer for both was yes, these tables show a proportional relationship. Well, let's take a look at the graph of the values in the tables. So if we take these tables and we plot the points on a coordinate system, we have the point 0, 0, the point 1, 3, 2, 6, and 3, 9. So we plot these 4 points on the coordinate graph, and then we connect them all, and we get this graph for this table. In the second one, we have point 0, 0, 2, 4, 4, 8, 6, 12. We plot them, we connect them, and this is the graph for this table. So what do you notice about both graphs? Are they straight? Are they curving? Are they zigzag? Are they circles? Do they have one point that's the same? Pause the video and write your answer on your paper. So yes, what we've noticed is that these are both are a straight line. They're both straight lines, and they both have the point 0, 0, 0, 0, which is called the origin. So to determine if a graph is a proportional relationship, both of these need to be true. The graph has to be a straight line, and it has to go through or be at the point 0, 0. Some math problems show you a graph and ask you to determine if it's a proportional relationship just by looking at the graph. Example, which of these graphs show a proportional relationship between x and y? Pause the video and write your answers on your paper. So let's take a look at these. Graph A, is this a straight line? Yes. Does it go through the point or have the point 0, 0? Yes. So our answer for A is yes, or we say yeah. A is a graph that shows a proportional relationship. B, is it a straight line? Yes. Does it have the point 0, 0 or go through the point 0, 0? No. So this is not a proportional relationship graph. C, is this a straight line? Yes. Does it have the point 0, 0? No. So this one is not a proportional relationship graph. And D, is this a straight line? Yes. Does it have the point 0, 0? Yes. So this is yes. So our answers are A and D. Sometimes you'll see a problem like this too. Does this graph show a proportional relationship between business hours and cost? So we ask the same thing. Both things have to be true. Is this a straight line? Yes. Does it have the point 0, 0? Well, yeah, right here it starts at 0 business hours is 0 cost. So the answer to this is yes. This graph shows a proportional relationship.